Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your sparkling plugs on a Volkswagen Golf 4. Let's open the car hood and have a look at this 1.4 liter 60V engine. And we are going to replace now the sparkling plugs. First step is remove the cover. The covers are locked by these four screws. These four screws we have to remove first, and we are going to remove the engine cover easily. This is important because now we can enter the ignition coil area with under the ignition coils are the sparkling plugs, which we are going to replace. Here you can see this is the ignition coils. 4 of them are built in this engine. Now we are removing the ignition coil. Job's done. Here we are. Good job. Let's have a checkup. Oh yeah. And then we're going to remove the sparkling plug number 1 by using a sparkling plug remover 16mm. Here we are. Get it in position, and then do not always rotate it left turn. It's better to get a little bit right, then left, then right, then left, etc. And then rotate it left turn and remove the sparkling plug. Here we are. It's important that the engine is relax a little bit. Do not replace the sparkling plugs on a hot engine. It's not good for you and not good for your sparkling plug itself. So here we are. Get a new one in position. Then it's important to start with your hand. Make a hand job first, because we are going to break the sparkling plug if we are using a mechanical tool. Now it's time for the tool. Torque wrench, 30 Newton meters. Yeah, job's done. Sparkling plug is replaced. Remove it and get the ignition coil on top. Yeah, here we are. Press it back in position and do or perform the same steps with the 3 left ignition coils and sparkling plugs too. Then we have a new set of sparkling plugs attached in our Volkswagen Golf 4 engine. Yeah. The only one we have to do is now reassemble the cover. Here we are. Get it in position and tighten the screws. It's important to tighten the screws again, because this will make some noise if you're while you're driving, okay? But then it's job's done and you're back on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.